Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. The location to where we trade different today is December the 11th, 2020. We are here to give you all a price update, price movement forecast for ABNB. It is a new product that has been launched on the New York Stock Exchange. It was listed yesterday, and you all can see there's only 1 day of price activity for this particular stock, and everyone is anticipating that Airbnb is a buy right now. It is too early to come into the market and say that this particular product is a buy. Now, before we go a little bit further into that, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe. We're one of the only organizations and platforms that is able to predict and forecast where prices are likely to go right before the trap takes the price there. Now, you may be wondering, who is the trap? Well, the trap is the individual that we've created. He is an individual, he or she is the one that controls the market. It's just that simple. The market has to have a centralized control point to direct the flow of where prices needs to go in order to create a market. And that is his purpose. So we follow what he does in order to get in a position to capitalize on profitability and maintain profits. So make sure you hit that bell notification as well, so you become notified whenever we upload our videos to this platform. So let's go into it. You guys can see yesterday, December the 10th, was the first time that this particular product was listed on the stock exchange. So now we have a market created for Airbnb. And as you can see, the market went almost towards $170. The high was $165 even. So someone bought this product all the way up there at $165. Mostly because on hype, because of FOMO, fear of missing out. Now, we have no idea of whether trap is going to hold support on a daily basis, weekly basis, even on a monthly basis, because it's relatively new. The market is too new, so this is too early to come out and gauge a long-term price prediction. You will see videos out of individuals stating what will be the long-term price target for ABNB. It's too early. Even the trap doesn't know what's going to occur into the market for ABNB yet. He's just simply here to make a market and to capitalize on that creation. So why would you even try to come out and make a long-term prediction on where Airbnb is going to be in the next 5 years, 3 years? So let's look at the market. We'll have to look at the market on a minute basis in order to gauge, at least on the near-term forecast, where is the market headed. We cannot do it from a weekly, monthly basis right now. The information is too fresh. So let's look at this market in Airbnb on a 1 minute time frame. Now we have a little bit of historical information that we can utilize to our benefit. So where is restriction at? Ask yourself that question. Where did the sellers appear into the market for Airbnb? If you said $150, you are absolutely correct. The market found restriction on a 1 minute time frame right there. So now we are seeing what the trap has done so far. He did not allow the market to go above $150 on yesterday's trading day. So we need to use that going forward, at least on a daily basis. You can even see right now in pre-market, the market in Airbnb is trading at $141. It has made all-time lows. I'm just being sarcastic because I only traded 1 day. So even now, this market in Airbnb is not trending higher. So when you look at Airbnb on a 3 minute time frame, this was the area of support when the market launched yesterday. When it first started trading, the trap came and held the market at $142. Well, pre-market, we are already trading below that. So going forward, until we see the trap create and shows us that he's going to support the market at a particular price, this is the expectation for the time being. Expect the market to continue to move lower, and really, instead of 150, the market can be seen as restriction around $147. But I'm going to keep it at 150. So just a real quick glance, real quick opportunity. You guys can see here that the market in Airbnb is not a buy just yet. So we need to determine how low the market is going to go. What do you think? I think I read an article that the market initially was priced at, each share was priced at around $68. We might go all the way back down to 68. If anyone knows what was the initial share price of Airbnb when it first launched, let me know. Because the market, when it first opened yesterday, started at $147.61. So if any of the investors, any of the early investors in Airbnb had shares priced at $68, automatically, once this market launched yesterday, they were in profit massively. Henceforth, why it is important to be an early investor right before a market is created for a particular business. That's why it's created. That's why it's important for those early investors to capitalize on their investment. And they have definitely done that for Airbnb. So our expectation, even though it's only very limited and on a short time frame, is for Airbnb to continue to go lower in price until we see the trap come in and support the market. Now we will be doing updates on our price prediction forecast for Airbnb as we continue to see the trap, lay down what his plans are. Okay, so let's do this one real quick. Since we have such a limited amount of information from the trap, we're going to go ahead and play it short though. Okay, now you can see that the market is already down 141, but it doesn't mean that it will be there once the market opens. We're going to hold this restriction area around 150 for the time being. And we're going to have to play this on a minute time frame, okay? So let's take a look at the market on the day. Okay. So we got 150 as restriction. And we're going to play this weakness in Airbnb real quick. Now, we don't know how low the market's going to go. Okay. So really it's like a free fall until he comes in and supports this market. So until that particular time, we are going to play the weakness in Airbnb. So we'll come back in and update you all on what the market has done since then. But anywhere in the green will have to be TP. TP simply means take profit. Okay. And that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and just trade different.